Hi guys, WhatsApp tips and tricks. Stop hackers from reading your private messages on WhatsApp using these settings. WhatsApp, the secure messaging acquired by Facebook in 2014, currently has over 2 billion active users. The users are protected by end-to-end encrypted that keeps their chats safe from prying eyes. In fact, WhatsApp is also unable to see the contents of your messages. This is thanks to the encryption protocol created by the developers of Signal Messenger, which has been implemented by WhatsApp. While end-to-end encrypted and protected users from hackers trying to read their message over the network, hackers still manage to get the information they need from users. WhatsApp authenticates a user based on their phone number, sending a verification code over SMS. As part of the scheme of hack, users account many WhatsApp users have received scam calls and messages in the past from malicious users who ask for help while posing as a known person. This social engineering usually include asking for a verification code along with excuse access such as their phone number. Soon after the user shares this 6-digit code, as hacker gains access to their account. Unfortunately, while you might think many users would not fall for such a scam, the reality is that many people who do not understand the way verification codes work think they are helping their friend but are actually handing full control of their account to the attackers. Once the attacker is in, they can simply transfer the number along with all your groups to another number and delete your original account. They can also pretend it to be you while cheating your friends out of their accounts too. If you want to prevent all of the above from happening to you, here are the steps to securing your WhatsApp account. The first step is to simply decline any request from anyone claiming to be your friend asking for a verification code, no matter the reason. Enable two-step verification. This setting is by far the most important setting user must enable on their WhatsApp account in order to protect themselves from hackers. This setting allows you to set a 6-digit PIN on your account that will be used to unlock your account after you receive your SMS verification code. Even if a hacker manages to get hold of your SMS code, they will not be able to log in to your account if they do not have this code. Step 1. Go to WhatsApp setting, tap on account and then tap on two-step verification. Step 2. Now enable the setting and enter a PIN. You will need to enter the PIN to make sure you entered it correctly. Step 3. WhatsApp has saved your PIN at this point, but it will keep asking you to enter your PIN from time to time just to ensure that you do not forget it and got logged out of your own account. Double check your privacy setting. While these settings are not directly related to hackers taking control of your account, they can give attackers a very good idea of who you are and the people you are in contact with, which can be used for social engineering. They prevent this from happening. You should set your privacy setting to keep your personal information out of the hands of hackers and unscrupulous elements. Step 1. Go to WhatsApp setting and tap on account and tap on privacy. Step 2. Now check setting for last seen about profile photo and status. Make sure these are all set to my contacts to ensure no one who you do not know can see this information. Make sure that you block any message from unknown senders asking for personal information and report them to WhatsApp using the in chat menu. Thank you.